Hello, it's a Saturday. When you switch on the television on a Saturday, what do you get? Cooking programs. Cooking programs with celebrities. Your loved celebrities. Folks, I started a video channel on the YouTube just dedicated for food. I thought I may be able to reach to the world's population who has forgotten about the importance of the soil, of the water, of the air that our planet as a living organism. This phenomenal organization of the planet's organism is what make you and me exist here in a brief time. As we all know, so-called my body is not really yours. It is what accumulated of what you ate has become this physical body of yours. So-called the mind, I'll leave it to the next other channel of mine, Shiran's De Silva Travels. But I wanted to state the entire you is only here because of the super organization, including yourself, is an organism. It's super organized to be able to be in a constant transaction with the earth, the planet, the air, the water, the soil, the food that we eat. I see so many celebrities, I see so many influencers, I see so many YouTube channels that are dedicated for food who's got millions of subscriptions. I don't need your subscription. But if you see some value to what I'm doing and share and care for this planet and the soil, the water, the very earth that you are walking upon is what is keeping you perfect geometry and in line with the existence and the forces that are caring for you without your knowledge. The food that appears in front of you, you may have been rich, you may have got the throwaway culture of money, throwaway culture of attitude to life, but it does not give you the right to waste food. What Mother Nature provides for all of us to survive here. We have the intelligence, we have the resources, we have an abundance of food, natural food to feed every single human being and every other species on the planet without ever having to destroy this planet. We don't need policies, we don't need procedures, we don't need government help, we don't need anyone's help. It is your conscious attention and willingness to care for the planet that you live and share amongst all of the other. And that's supporting your life here and briefly. Be it who you are, whatever you do must be of a conscious nature. And that conscious nature should bring you closer to creating a conscious planet. In that, you should become a willing life to respect, recognize, and show gratitude to the Mother Earth, the food that's sitting in front of you, what makes life. It is that what will save us, save the planet, save going forward and making this a conscious decision of yours.